Sanders Mathematician. I'm back to you with another video. We are still in this packet, evaluating algebraic expressions. The name of it is No Substitute for Hard Work. All right, we just completed our warm-up. Now we're going to turn page and get on to getting started. Hopefully you still have your materials, you have your multiplication chart, or you've made a multiplication chart. And definitely take some time to do that if you need it. If you have your calculator, then make sure you know how to use it, because that's your business. All right, so let's get started. And also I still have my scratch paper and my highlighters over here. All right, so it says the empty number line. First of all, let's look at some vocabulary. In algebra, a variable is a letter or symbol that is used to represent an unknown quantity. So variables can be any letter. Usually our variable is X. They're always telling us about X. So I want you to write me down here 3 more letters that can represent a variable. And I want you to write down a letter that I don't use. So you cannot use X. But I'm going to write down P because my name starts with P. I can use P as a variable. I can also use S because my last name starts with S, Sanders. Or I'm just going to pick a random one. I can use the letter M for multiplication, whatever. Whatever 3 letters, I want you to write down your 3 letters different from my 4 letters and show me what you could use as a variable. So now, this one's called the empty number line. We're going to consider the list of 6 variable expressions. So they gave us 6 variable expressions here. Why are they variable expressions? Because they have a letter in there that is unknown. And they are an expression because we don't have an equal sign. If it was an equation, we would have an equal sign. But because we just have an expression, no equal sign, that's why it's an expression. So by yourself, if you want to work with a partner, that's fine. But I would prefer you to think about it first. Think about where you would place each expression and sketch your conjecture. So here's my number line. And first of all, if I'm thinking about number lines, where do my negatives go if I'm looking at 0? Hopefully you see it to the left. So negative numbers go to the left. And hopefully you know positive numbers go to the right. So if I was to look at these numbers, what 2 numbers would go on the left and which numbers will go on the right? Hopefully you're looking at this negative X and you're looking at this negative 1/2 X that go on the negative side. And then hopefully you see all of these positive numbers, they go on the right side. So what I want you to do is I want you to place these numbers on the number line. You know, you have 4 numbers on this side, and then you're going to have 2 numbers on this side, or expressions. So I want you to go ahead and write down where you think. So if you think that this is X, then write X. If you think this is 1/2 X, then write 1/2 X. So write where you think each one of these numbers go on the number line. Then I want you to compare your number line with another person, not another group, another person. Their number line. Was it the same? Was it different? And if it was the same, then let me know that it was the same. If it was different, then tell me why in this space it was different, and tell me why it was the same if it was the same. So now you're going to wait for the timer to go off, and I'm going to select students so that y'all can come up to the board and show me as human numbers where you would put your cards on the number line. So we will see if we agree as a class, and then we will write down our final number line here. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I'm going to give you some time, of course, and then when the video is done, once you've done this work, then we're going to check your understanding to make sure you did it right. All right, see you in a minute. Bye.